Welcome back to my channel. This is the Creative Network. We are going to, today in this video, we're going to be discussing how to create uh, YouTube thumbnails using Canva. We're doing this again because the last time I recorded a video, didn't like the quality, right? So me, you know me, man, I'm a perfectionist. Well, at least I try to be. Um, I also want to just be clear on why the YouTube thumbnail is important. The YouTube thumbnail is the most important part of your video because it's the first thing your viewer is going to see. And so if you're in education and maybe you're a barber, you have clippers, right? Um, of course, a lot of people look at views, but the first thing you'll see that sticks out to you is going to be that YouTube thumbnail. So that's why that's important. It's kind of like your ad, right? How you sell yourself, okay? So I usually like to go with the blank canvas. And so that's what we're going to go with, a white background. I did find a thumbnail that I liked in Canva, and I'm going to take this modern interiors. All right, we're going to use this as our thumbnail. Okay, now only thing we have to do is edit this and create this and make this our own. Okay, so first thing I want to do, I want to get rid of this picture and make it custom to this actual video that we're watching. Go to uploads. I'm going to grab this guy right here. And I'm going to just drag him over here. Wow. All right, I want to move him over just a little bit. Move this picture over just a little bit so I can have Canva logo right over this hand. I'm going to go to elements, Canva logo, grab that bad boy. All right, once we grab it, we'll put it over this hand right here. You see how that is? Now, we don't want that to happen. You need the picture to stay in place. So I'll go over the picture. I'll click over the picture. The three dots, I'll go there and I'll click lock to lock the picture in place. So when I drag it over there, I don't have the issue again. Okay, so let's go right about here. Let's go down a little bit more. I'll make it bigger. All right, that looks pretty good to me. Let me change the opacity or transparency just a little bit right there. All right, now that's looking pretty decent to me. And next, what we want to do is change the text. This is the meat. If the other part is the potatoes, this is the meat. This is what's going to grab the viewer's attention. So YouTube, I'm going to put how to create YouTube thumbnails, but let me just walk with me. Walk with me through the process. We're going to type in YouTube. Okay. And thumbnail. It'll be titled How to Create YouTube Thumbnails. Let's drag that down just a little bit. Hear any snoring in the background? My little dog out. He's asleep right now. So forgive me, please. This is raw, okay? And how to create YouTube thumbnails. All right, now that's a little too big for me. So that's too big. So what we're gonna do is try to center it right there. Take it down just a little bit more. Excuse me. Now what I do want is to space the letters. All right. And it just gives it a edge when they see the video. I'll take the YouTube logo right here. And I'm gonna put it right there. It looks pretty good. And then if you look at this honeycomb. Look at this honeycomb deal right there in the background. I want to change that color. So I'll go to edit image. I'm going to go to duotone. I'm going to go to any color. I can change it to what I want. And then I want it to be white. Let's go to white, click apply. And when I click back in here, it's going to look like this. My original logo, this is kind of dope. It's my original logo for my business, HMG Creatives. That's a part of our brand. Is the honeycomb method, because we're a multimedia service, so we do a lot in the media arena, especially for businesses and nonprofits. So I didn't even notice that, but that's kind of dope. You know what I'm saying? That kind of speak volumes to me. And so, but yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the end of the video. I do thank y'all for watching. If you want to follow me on social media, a lot of motivation. You might see some apps, tips on apps. You might see my dog on there, but I'll leave my IG handle. It's Mason_create something with a K, and I'll just leave that right here on the screen. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all for your time. And man, listen, go out and create something. You owe it to me, and you owe it to your people. You hear me? And we out. Peace.